Welcome back to the checkout guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to activate money order in your Shopify admin panel. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, you need to go to your Shopify admin panel, then click on Shopify settings, then click on payment section, then scroll down. There is an option of manual payment methods. Click on manual payment method and then click on money order. Now here you can add a message which you want to display to the customers when they are choosing this money order payment method. For example, I am writing that order will be processed after we receive your money order. And you can also add the payment instructions here. It will also display to the customers after they place an order with this payment method. So click on activate money order. So money order has been activated. Now we will test this setup on our online store. Go to your Shopify store. Go to catalog. You can add any product to your cart and proceed to checkout. You can enter the full address. Scroll down, there is an option of money order. So the message is displaying here that the order will be processed after we receive your money order. So that's it. You have successfully set up money order in your Shopify admin panel. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.